Nature and beauty. In series of nature's beauty, today we'll draw a hillscape along with beautiful road and the hilly houses with couples of windows and background trees. The nature's beauty will remain incomplete until we'll not draw the trees. Next, we'll draw another house, and this way the composition will complete along with a walking human figure. Next, we'll start the color with background cobalt blue and the background trees. The trees are distance trees, that's why you are given blue impression, and the near trees with bright color like yellow green combination. Then same time we will try to give the depth of both trees along with finishing touches. Now come to the ground part. We'll use bright tone of yellow light green color and some deep green shading in ground, and on the surface of road we'll use ochre yellow plus brown color. The foreground areas will use more finishing touches with grasses and all such, and same time we'll try to give more touches in other parts also. Now come to the main attraction of this particular landscape, those buildings. We'll prefer bright color like orange, red, ochre yellow to highlight the buildings, and same time we'll fill up the human figure also. We'll keep the details of both buildings along with windows and other design. This way we can finish a beautiful hillscape with bright colors. Thank you for watching.